Dear friends, I would like to wish all the best for Slovenian Democratic Party in forthcoming parliamentary elections. Those elections will be very important, not only for Slovenia, but for whole Europe. We know what you are fighting for. And we Lithuanian conservatives, we know very well what you are facing during those election campaigns. I know very well my good friend Janez Janšo, and those methods which your opponents are trying to apply against him really are not acceptable in our common European house. So I would like really to wish all the best for you, for your party, for your candidates, and I would like to see during the next weeks very good victory of your party in so important elections which you will have in Slovenia. So good luck.